Trigo graphs. Trigo graph, cheer sine graph, up down up, cosine graph, Dracula teeth, tangent graph, down turn up.
Now let's revise how the basic Trigo graphs of sine cosine looks like. We'll always draw the graph from 0 to 2 pi. Up, down, up. That's for the sine graph running from 0 to 2 pi. Half of the graph will be pi. The mid value from 0 to pi will be pi over 2. And then the mid value from pi to 2 pi will be 3 pi over 2. Let's go to the highest point of the sine graph, be 1. And the lowest y value will be minus 1. Now let's draw the cos graph. Dracula teeth. Notice the ends are all rounded, so this is a very gentle Dracula, and it's drawn from 0 to 2 pi. Again, the highest point is 1, and the lowest y value is minus 1. Now let's draw the tangent graph from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2. It's down, and at the origin there's a turning from clockwise to anti-clockwise, and then up. So it's called down, turn, up. I want to emphasize here, there's a turning point at 0. Now let's cover the important definitions of certain terms, like amplitude, the jump from the resting position. So for the sine graph, the jump from the resting position is 1. So the amplitude is 1. Period is the length of one oscillation. So in this case, it's 2 pi. And the range is the y values which the curve assumes. So the y values actually run from minus 1 to 1. Let's go on to the cos graph. The maximum jump from the resting position, which is the x-axis, is actually 1. So again, the amplitude is 1. Length of one Dracula teeth is 2 pi. So the period is 2 pi. And the range, which the y values of the curve, it runs from minus 1 to 1. Now let's go to the tangent graph. The resting axis is the x-axis. The amplitude, you can see, is infinity. Length of one oscillation is pi. And for the range, which are the y values which the graph assumes, will be all real values of y. So we write it as y belongs to the set of all real values. So that's all the concepts associated